Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1669 of What Shipped You Know. I've got my teeny tiny Bible here for illustrative purposes for the most part. So today's idiom for supersize your business was gospel truth. Now we talked about this idiom April 29th with respect to our spiritual well-being and our spiritual health. And we tied that to our business and how that impacts our business. And today took a slightly different definition and approach with it and talked about what are your absolute truths as you're growing and building and supersizing your business. Kind of like, what are your core foundational beliefs? I guess if I'm thinking about it in other words, that's what I would say I shared today. I shared a handful plus of principles and core values and things that I absolutely believe to be true and hold true throughout whatever I do, not just with respect to my businesses, kind of the way I live my life as well. So things like do what's right, continuous improvement, under promise, over deliver, do what you say you're going to do, make the world a better place, be yourself, be responsible and accountable for everything you say and do and all the actions of you and your business as well. Share your experiences, treat people the way you want to be treated. There's always a way to figure things out, and that ties into confidence. Confidence is believing that we'll figure stuff out no matter what, and I think that's a good tie-in for the annual challenge. The annual challenge today, we talked about the fact that we can transform our own world, and I say life because our world and our reality is up to us, and so we talked about that a little bit today in the challenge and how we can go about doing that, and that it's important that we don't wait for permission, we don't expect anyone else to do it for us, and that at some point we decide to go after the things that we want and create what we want for our life and for our impact on the world. So that's what I'm working on today for content. Still helping my mom move. Got some stuff I need to move and take care of today over at her house because the movers are coming Monday morning, and she gave me some bookshelves and some other cool things for my house, things that I've already downsized and gotten rid of, but they've got sentimental value. I mean, one's a piano stool that my sisters and I all learned how to play the piano on and took piano lessons, even though we didn't love piano lessons. I still love this stool, and it's a little rickety and wobbly, but I think it always has been. But it's fun, and she got it from one of her best friends who's passed away quite a long time ago now. So it's sentimental to her, but she has no room in her Texas house for all of the things she's taking from her Wisconsin house. So it's gonna be an interesting fall helping her down there, and we go down for my nephew's wedding. But if I can help you in any way, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow just to let you know what's going on, share any information that you have to ask if you want me to share specific information. Otherwise, I just share what comes to mind in terms of lessons learned, what I'm working on, and how I'm creating what I want to create in the world. Right? Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.